Brigade Air brought their Cessna 172 to MMS Aviation for restoration and repair. The 172 had recently been donated to Brigade, and we were very pleased to be able to help them get it ready for ministry. The engine needed a lot of work, including refacing the valve seats and grinding the valves themselves. After all the parts were inspected, the engine was reassembled. But that's not all. The old paint needed to be removed. New paint needed to be applied. Corrosion needed to be located and dealt with. There's a tremendous amount of detail work that goes into getting an airplane ready for mission service. Whether it's applying the end numbers on the tail section or installing the engine on the other side of the firewall, you can be sure that our staff and apprentice mechanics are focused on making sure each airplane is airworthy and prepared to carry God's precious cargo. And once the wings go back on, this airplane is in the home stretch, and you know it won't be long before it's ready to be dedicated for ministry.
We're going to ask you to come up, we're going to come around, we're going to stand around this airplane, we're going to put our hand on this airplane, because we're going to send it off from here